Best car insurance for young male drivers. This video is designed to help you save money on your car insurance. As an appetizer, here's a little trick we use that has helped us save a ton of money on our auto insurance. So, which is the cheapest car insurance company? Will Geico really save you $500 in 15 minutes? Is Progressive cheaper? State Farm, Allstate, Liberty Mutual, Farmers, Nationwide? The number one mistake made by car insurance seekers is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differs tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. Now, usually shopping around for quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task. So, here is a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which the cheapest auto insurance provider is. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service. Toll free at 1-855-981-7528. This is a free by phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. Find full details in the description below this video. Now, here are some tips to help you further lower your car insurance rate. When dealing with car insurance, a person needs to understand that who they are will affect their premiums. Insurance companies will look at things such as how old you are, if you're male or female, and what kind of driving record that you have. If you're a male that is 25 or younger, you are going to have the higher insurance rates. If you can afford to do so, save some money on your car insurance by paying the entire year's premium at once. Most insurers will offer the option to pay premiums monthly. But this adds on a fee for the convenience, which can add up over the course of the year. You can still save by splitting the annual premium into 2 payments. You may be able to avoid having to pay for costly rental car insurance if you complete the rental transaction using a credit card that provides coverage. Be sure to read the fine print in your credit card agreement, as the offerings can vary between cards. In most cases, you'll have to do the entire rental transaction on the same card to keep from voiding the coverage. If you have other drivers on your insurance policy, remove them to get a better deal. Most insurance companies have a guest clause, meaning that you can occasionally allow someone to drive your car and be covered, as long as they have your permission. If your roommate only drives your car twice a month, there's no reason they should be on there. Part of the cost of your auto insurance is based on where you live. In particular, people who live in urban areas generally pay a significant amount more for their auto insurance than people who live in rural areas. If you live and work in a city, you might want to consider trying to find a place in a rural area from where you can feasibly commute to work. You need to find out important details about your insurance policy before agreeing to it. You should know how much you are going to be paying for the policy and exactly what it covers. There are some policies that cover very little and some that are very detailed and that cover a plethora of possible events.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video.